Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys an affordable option to use for styling. Now, with that being said, I do not recommend for you guys to go with lower, more budget end options, only because I feel like the products can really build up in your hair over time. This happened to me in the very beginning of my curly journey. Like I just scrunched out the crunch with my hands completely clean, and I can feel the tackiness from me just scrunching out the crunch in my hair. Now, not all budget-friendly products are formulated the same, and I understand that all of them have different ingredients, but for me, the Cantu products are a little bit heavy. You can find other options, and there's plenty of options out there. I just really recommend for you guys to do your own research. For me, these aren't products that I would use on a regular basis, but I'll probably continue to use them until I use them up, because I did buy them in the very beginning of my journey and they're gonna expire and I'm too cheap to throw them away. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. And while I got pretty good results, on a regular basis I use salon quality products, so my hair is probably going to react differently than someone who doesn't, or if you're using them over time. Now, I will say that the Cowash does have really great slip. It cleans my scalp really well, but it is really heavy. It has a lot of butters, a lot of oils in it, so you know, this is just a disclaimer to keep you guys with an open mind and just to hear me out. And I understand that all of the products that you're probably buying are expensive, and I get it, but at the same time, over time, salon quality products will better your hair. So you're not going to be spending as much time, as much energy trying to figure out what you're buying, all that stuff. I'm not making money off of telling you guys that. I'm just letting you know my 2 cents, and from what I hear from stylists and from what I've experienced on my own. I didn't notice a huge difference in my hair until I started using better quality products with better ingredients and lighter weight products. Again, that's just my opinion, you guys. You can take it or leave it. But I am going to show you guys this tutorial just because some of you have been asking me for recommendations, and I know that this stuff really worked for me in the very beginning, but then I started getting a lot of buildup, so then I stopped using the products. I wouldn't mind using these products in summer just because I'm swimming all the time. I'm in chlorine, so I wash my hair often, and I use the swimmer shampoo. It's a sulfate-free shampoo, but I do use the Malibu shampoo for swimmers, and it does get all the gunk out because it's also supposed to take minerals out of your hair. So I don't mind using heavier products, but for the most part, I probably wouldn't use these on a regular basis. I'll probably use them like midweek wash, just because those are like my kind of like lower maintenance washes, and also because I mostly air dry on those days. And this is completely air dried. I did not diffuse. I just air dried for a couple hours while I did my errands and then did my face. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and here's the tutorial.
So here we go, guys. I am just making sure my hair is completely saturated with water before I go in with my co-wash. And I'm just taking a globful of the As I Am coconut co-wash in my hand, emulsifying it in my hands, and making sure to use my fingertips to really scrub my scalp and make sure to get all of the dirt off, since I'm not using any harsh detergents in my co-wash. So really the motion of your hands scrubbing your scalp is what's really going to get the dirt off and off of your scalp, as well as the rest of your hair. So I'm not really applying it to my ends until I start detangling it like I am now, but I make sure to get it off of my scalp before I start detangling, because I do want to make sure that I don't leave any left over in my hair, because that will weigh it down. And I'm just making sure to take my time detangling all of my hair. And obviously I'm taking off the hairs that I've shed already, which I don't wash my hair every day, so I make sure that I detangle really well when I'm in the shower. And now I'm just rinsing all of it out and making sure that my hair is detangled. Once I've rinsed it all out, I will go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner, and I'm just applying it to the mid two ends of my hair and then squishing it in before I put it into a microfiber towel. And for today, I'm using the Turby Twist. And here you'll see me just scrunching out the water with my microfiber towel. And you can use Kinky Curly Knot today for leave-in as well. It is a little bit on the heavier side, just as I am one. And I'm using the Cantu Curl Activating Cream to apply to my hair. And just making sure that I smooth it all in over my hair and scrunch it all the way in. You can also use Aussie Instant Freeze, but I'm using the Cantu Curl Gel. It is very thick, so I do emulsify it with water before I apply to my hair to make sure that I coat all of my strands. And I'm just making sure that it's all scrunched in and applied evenly. And I am just going to use my flour sack towel to scrunch out as much of the water as I can, because I'm going to be air drying for today. I wanted to make this video as simple as possible and show you guys that you can just air dry. So no root clips, no diffusing. And a few hours later, here is the results. Make sure you subscribe to keep up with my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.